Introducing the Igloo XL 30 inches brick pizza oven. Bigger, taller, and built for the perfect bake. Designed for serious pizza lovers, the Igloo XL takes wood-fired cooking to the next level with its classic igloo shape and a taller interior dome, making pizza making easier than ever. With more room inside, you'll enjoy better heat circulation, easier access, and a perfectly even bake every time. Handcrafted with high-quality refractory bricks and a fire-resistant concrete base, this oven is built to retain heat longer and perform in any climate. Whether you're crafting authentic Neapolitan pizzas, baking rustic breads, or slow roasting meats, the Igloo XL delivers unmatched performance and flavor. Choose the door style that fits your needs, a traditional sheet metal door for a simple, functional look, or upgrade to an arched glass cast iron door for a sleek and elegant touch. Need a solid foundation? Order our easy-to-assemble pizza oven stand. Made from 4 lightweight concrete panels, it sets up in under an hour and can support even larger ovens. Plus, our square-shaped base design saves you time and money by making stand construction effortless. Complete the look with a custom stone or brick veneer to match your outdoor space, whether you prefer a rustic, modern, or traditional finish. Upgrade your outdoor cooking with the Igloo XL 30 inches brick pizza oven today.